Today we're going to be looking at 4 houses for sale in Clarendon. House number 1. This is a 2-bedroom 1-bathroom house located on Longbridge Avenue in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is approximately 1,426 square feet and it is for sale at a cost of 15 million Jamaican dollars. Here we have the veranda. Moving right along, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Followed by that is the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms, however only one out of the 2 is being shown. Lastly, we have the bathroom. And from here we're going to head to the back of the property. That will then end house number 1. House number 2. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located in Hopefield in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is approximately 2,000 square feet and it is for sale at a cost of 19.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go and take a closer look. Here we have the carport. And this is the veranda. We then move right along to the first living and dining area. This is the second living and dining area. Next are the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is the second kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom, third bedroom, fourth bedroom, and this is the 5th bedroom. Followed by that are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 out of the 3 were shown. That will then end house number 2. House number 3. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house located in Cornpiece Hayes in Clarendon. The size of this lot is approximately 11,168 square feet and it is for sale at a cost of 16 million Jamaican dollars. As we go on the inside, we have the living and dining area. From here you can also see a glimpse of the kitchen. Unfortunately, we don't have a full image of the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Lastly, we have the bathroom. And that would end house number 3. House number 4. This is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located on Sunflower Way in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is approximately 2,352 square feet and it's been sold at a cost of 20 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area, and followed by that is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. Unfortunately for the bathrooms, there were no images provided. That will then end house number 4. That will then bring us to the end of the video. If you were interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I will be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.